need to be able to hit and still keep hitting. This hand that blocked my Tan should be able to hit him again. I should be able to knee him. I should be able to elbow him. But you guys are doing this. What the hell is that? How are you going to move forward? What kind of Tan is it? He's going to punch you. He's going to cross you right in your face. You can't even hit him. You can't even touch him. I can't even sweep him. I can't kick him. You got to move in. He punches. Bam! I need to move in. I need to hit. I need to be able to come across. Don't give me this. I don't know what that is. Yeah, you're leaving yourself up. Look at it. Bam! And he should. Because you gave it to him. I would do it. I would cross it right in your face. So should he. You did this. Look at me. I did. Don't do that. Move in. Every single time he punches, bam! Bam! I should be close enough with my Tan that I can hit, I can elbow, I can headbutt, I can knee. I should be able to move in. But if you're doing this,